just taking some scrap wood here from other projects. This is maple, this is maple here, more maple, cherry, and a little piece of walnut. I'm just going to take this stuff and make it into some coasters. Here I'm just laying out the patterns I'm going to use for my end grain. You want to make sure you cover everything with the wood glue. You don't want to have any gaps or any spots where you can see that you missed it. I find having a blanket is a great thing to have in the shop because you get a flat edge every time. I wouldn't recommend using a planer to do this, as you'll see in just a second here. This happened because the pieces were too small for the planer. Here I glue pieces of wood to hold down the coasters. And while I sand the coasters, it will keep them all from getting shorter or taller than each other. Using minwax polycrylic here, just super light coats with this brush, seemed to work just fine. Didn't end up with bubbles or anything, and did little mild sanding coats in between. Nice, easy gift.